Marcus Aurelius ruled from 161 through 180 CE. As a student of philosophy, Marcus Aurelius had many traits that we would associate with the philosopher. Marcus was viewed as patient, thoughtful, careful, open-minded, reasonable, and dutiful. Although he disliked war, he successfully repelled all the barbarian invasions under his reign. He took his responsibilities seriously and showed a great deal of respect toward the Senate. Clearly one who valued the former Roman Republic, Marcus would regularly ask the Senate permission to spend money, despite not actually needing to do so. Marcus Aurelius was also very successful in law. As emperor, he listened to and addressed petitions. He also resolved disputes and took great care in reforming and improving the laws of Rome. However, there are some blemishes on the reign of Marcus Aurelius. His main failing was choosing his incompetent son Commodus as co-emperor and successor. In addition, despite his reputation as a kind emperor, Marcus Aurelius allowed a cruel persecution of the Christians in 177 CE. Although, towards the end of his reign, Marcus Aurelius was convinced of the falseness of the claims made against the Christians and became more tolerant of them.